So we will discuss properties of logarithm. And the first property is logarithm of a product, or what we call the product rule. The logarithm of a product is the sum of the logarithms. Now, if you have log of xy to the base b, that is equal to log of x to the base b plus log of y to the base b. Make sure that the base are equal. Now, log of 8 is equal to log of 2 plus log of 4, since 2 and 4 are the factors of 8. Another example, ln 12 is equal to ln 3 plus ln 4. Another example, if you have log, let's say you have log of, let's say 2 times 5, that is equal to log of 2 plus log of 5. Next property is logarithm of a quotient. So the logarithm of a quotient, or what we call the quotient rule, the logarithm of a quotient is the difference of the logarithms. Now, log of x over y to the base b is equal to log of x to the base b minus log of y to the base b. Make sure that the base are equal again. Now, our example is log of 10 over 5 to the base 3, that is equal to log of 10 to the base 3 minus log of 5 to the base of 3. So that is the logarithm of a quotient, or the quotient rule. Next is logarithm of a power, or power rule. Log of x raised to m to the base b, that is equal to m times log of x to the base b. So our example is log of 8. Now, if you have log of 8, that is also equal to log of 2 cube. Log of 2 cube equals 3 log of 2. Then ln 25, that is equal to ln 2 raised to 5 equals 5 ln 2. Those are examples of logarithm of a power. Now, if you have logarithm of an nth root, log of the square root of x, or the mth root of x to the base b, that is equal to log of x raised to 1 over m to the base b, which is also equal to log of x to the base b times 1 over m. Now, your example is log of the square root of 7 to the base 3, that is equal to 1/2 times log of 7 to the base 3. Okay? How about change of base formula? So the change of base formula is equal to log of x to the base y equals log of x to the base b all over log of y to the base b. That is equal to log of x to the base 10 over log of y to the base 10 equals ln x over ln y. So you can change the base of a logarithm using another base. And the common base is 10 or e for the change of base formula. Another property, we have log of, let's say, log, this is for number 6 property, log of 1. So this log of 1, that is equal to log of 1 to the base b is equal to 0 because b raised to 0 is equal to 1 for any base b is greater than 0 and b is not equal to 1. So our example for this is, let's say you have log of 1 to the base 5 that is equal to 0 since 5 raised to 0 is equal to 1. Okay, so that is log of 1. How about number 7? Logarithm or log of the base. So log of the base, we have the property log of the base, that is log to the base b of b is equal to 1. So if the power b is equal to the base b, according to the property of logarithm, that is equal to 1 because b raised to 1 is equal to b. Okay, so our example is log of 7 to the base 7 is equal to 1. Again, since b, no. Since 7 raised to 1 is equal to 7. Okay, that is log of the base. And for our inverse property, so we have the inverse property or inverse properties. So log b raised to x to the base b, that is equal to x. Then if you have b raised to log of x to the base b, uh, erase erase this. So uh, erase this, erase. Another, I will write it here. So b raised to log of x to the base b, that is equal to x. So that is for the inverse property. Example. So we have example here. Our example is log of let's say 3 raised to 4 with base 3 that is equal to 4. Uh, Another example, you have 3 for the second one here. 3 uh, raised to log of 81 to the base 3 that is equal to 81. Okay? That is for the inverse properties. So this is the proof of the change of base formula. Okay? So we have here, let m equals log of x to the base y. This implies that y raised to m is equal to x. Now, if you have log of x to the base b, that is equal to log of y raised to m to the base b, then that is equal to log of x to the base b equals m times log of y to the base b. Therefore, m equals log of x to the base y, that is equal to log of x to the base b over log of y to the base b. So these are the properties of the logarithm. Then you will apply these properties uh, to logarithmic equation. Okay, thank you. So our next topic is logarithmic equation. So try this.